Ever wondered how to get your hard-earned money from abroad directly into your Gcash wallet? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving into the simple yet powerful process of transferring money from Remitly straight to your Gcash account in just a few minutes. First, open your Remitly app if you're not already logged in. Please sign into your account using your verified credentials. This ensures a secure transaction. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. You're looking for the option to send money. Tap on that to begin the transfer process. Now, it's crucial to select your recipient's country since we're sending to Gcash, which is primarily used in the Philippines. Make sure the Philippines is selected as the destination country. On the next screen, you'll see various delivery options. Here's the magic step: choose Gcash as your preferred delivery method. If you don't see Gcash immediately, you might need to tap on mobile money or a similar category. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. This is where you'll input their Gcash registered mobile number. Double-check this number carefully. Accuracy here is key to a successful transfer. You might also need to confirm their full name as registered with Gcash. Before confirming, review the transfer summary. This screen will show you the amount you're sending, any applicable fees from Remitly, and that all the Gcash recipient details are correct. Make sure the total amount is what you intend to send. Once you're satisfied with the summary, tap on the Confirm Transfer or a similar button to finalize the transaction. Congratulations! Your money should now be on its way. You'll typically receive a confirmation within the Remitly app, and the funds should reflect in the recipient's Gcash wallet very shortly, usually within minutes. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Remitly to Gcash. It's that simple to keep your loved ones in the Philippines connected and with easy access to their funds.